Good evening. So today I am going to show you how, or teach you how I make my labels for my scrunchies and the bags, etc, etc. The things you'll need will be a computer, laptop, iPad, phone, etc, whichever you use, printer, heater transfer paper, which is this is heat transfer paper, some fabric, white cotton, an ironing board, or whatever you use. And then what you do is, it comes in packs of 10 of these sheets. Obviously this has been used because it's down on here already, but it comes in packs of 10 of these. Then you stick them in the printer. You print your label off that you want, your logo or whatever. Then you get your fabric like this. No, you don't. My apologies. You peel it. You've got to peel it. Then you stick this onto the fabric, and then, as you'll see in this clip, you iron it. You keep ironing it until it is fully stuck down to the fabric. And then, yeah, but make sure, another step, make sure that it comes with a heat proof sheet. You've got to place that over it and then iron on it. And then once it's done, it'll look something like this, like these. And then all you have to do is just, where's my scissors? All you have to do is just, I'm not going to do this bit neatly, it's just I'll neaten it after. It's just to show, all you do is just cut there, and then you have your labels, and then you just fold them up and then put them on your scrunchies, your bags, or whatever it is that you've made. And it's so easy and simple and affordable. Definitely affordable. So there you go. And then that's how you make the labels. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.